Can't get this phone on the tripod. I want to make a video. Wait. Oops. Oh, oops. The camera's on. Hello everybody. My name's RubTY43. Accidentally hit the button. Trying to get it on the tripod right now. And will it stay? Or will it go? I think this only holds GoPros. This is literally leaning. There. Hello everybody, my name is RubTY43. Welcome back to another video. There's a lot of people everywhere. Hello. I don't know who that is. Stare at this while, I don't know. Okay, you're done staring at that. Good. Well, trying to get this bell. Look, who is him? Captain Sparkles. Gotta search him on YouTube. Selfie stick and tripod. That's what they're saying. Tiny tripod. Making YouTube videos on this. Well, I guess I better go. Bye, everybody.